Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that Earth is not the most remarkable world in the universe, not the most beautiful, not the most fascinating, and perhaps not even the best place for humanity to live. For thousands of years, people have looked at our planet and assumed it was the perfect home. We have vast oceans, green forests, mountain ranges, an atmosphere rich in oxygen, and countless forms of life, but the universe is unimaginably large, with hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and potentially trillions of planets scattered throughout the cosmos. It is possible that nature has created worlds even more extraordinary than our own. What if there is a moon where a giant planet dominates the sky every day and every night? What if there is a world where scientists can study a black hole from their own backyard? What if two Earth-like planets share the same orbit and regularly meet like neighboring civilizations? Or what if there is a planet illuminated by 5 different suns, where darkness is almost unknown? These worlds may sound like science fiction, but according to modern astrophysics, all of them are scientifically possible. Today, we are exploring 4 hypothetical exoplanets that could offer experiences, opportunities, and environments unlike anything humanity has ever known. Our journey begins with a breathtaking moon that many people would describe as a real-life version of Pandora. Imagine standing beside a crystal-clear lake on an alien moon as evening approaches. The air is calm, the landscape is covered in forests, and life thrives across the surface. As you look upward, you do not see a small moon like the one above Earth. Instead, you see a gigantic gas giant hanging in the sky. It appears hundreds of times larger than our moon, covering a huge portion of the heavens. Its swirling clouds, colorful storms, and glowing atmosphere create a permanent celestial masterpiece visible both day and night. This moon orbits the giant planet much like our moon orbits Earth, but unlike our moon, it possesses oceans, continents, and conditions suitable for life. The giant planet would do more than provide a beautiful view. Its gravity could stabilize the moon's tilt, preventing extreme climate shifts and helping maintain long-term habitability. Even the nights would be extraordinary because the moon rotates more slowly than Earth. Darkness could last for several days at a time. However, the nearby gas giant would reflect sunlight and cast a faint glow across the landscape, making the night sky brighter than anything humans experience on Earth. Eclipses would become spectacular events, with the giant planet slowly covering the sky and casting enormous moving shadows across oceans and forests. Life on such a moon could enjoy stable climates, beautiful scenery, and unique astronomical events on a regular basis. Yet as incredible as this world sounds, the next destination offers something even more extraordinary. Not beauty, but knowledge. On the next world, humanity would live beside one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. At first glance, the Black Sun world might seem surprisingly familiar. It could have blue oceans, white clouds, mountains, and perhaps even forests stretching across vast continents. People living there might lead lives that feel remarkably similar to those on Earth, but hidden within the same star system is something extraordinary. Alongside the planet's parent star exists a stellar mass black hole. The star provides warmth and light, making life possible, while the black hole silently lurks nearby, its immense gravity shaping the system in subtle ways. From the planet's surface, the black hole itself would not appear as a glowing object. Instead, it might reveal itself as a strange distortion in space, bending the light of distant stars and creating visual effects unlike anything seen on Earth. For scientists, this world would be a dream beyond imagination. Today, black holes are studied from enormous distances using advanced telescopes, but on this planet, researchers could observe the effects of extreme gravity directly. They could perform experiments involving time dilation, study how light behaves near powerful gravitational fields, and test some of the most important theories in modern physics. Every schoolchild would grow up knowing that one of the universe's greatest mysteries existed right within their cosmic neighborhood. Such a world could advance science thousands of years beyond our current understanding. But while the Black Sun world offers knowledge beyond imagination, the next system offers something humanity has desired for generations: a second Earth. Since ancient times, people have wondered whether another Earth exists somewhere among the stars, a world with oceans, continents, seasons, and perhaps even intelligent life. But what if another Earth did not exist light years away? What if it existed right next door? This possibility becomes reality in one of the most fascinating planetary arrangements ever proposed: the twin Earths. In this system, 2 Earth-like planets share the same orbit around their star through a rare gravitational relationship, known as a horseshoe orbit. Most of the time, the planets remain separated by great distances, but every few decades they gradually approach one another before drifting apart again. During these close encounters, the neighboring world would dominate the sky. It would appear far larger and brighter than any planet visible from Earth today. If both planets developed intelligent civilizations, the opportunities would be extraordinary. Trade could occur between worlds. Scientists could collaborate across planets. Art, music, literature, and technology could spread from one civilization to another. Every generation might witness the arrival of visitors from another world, not centuries away, but practically next door. Perhaps most importantly, the existence of two habitable planets would provide a form of insurance for civilization. If one world suffered a global catastrophe, the other could preserve knowledge, culture, and life itself. In many ways, twin Earths could represent the ultimate future for humanity. Yet even this remarkable arrangement cannot match the visual spectacle waiting on the final world of our journey, a place where a single sun is not enough. Throughout all of human history, the sun has been the center of our existence. It controls our climate, powers our ecosystems, and determines the cycle of day and night. But imagine standing on a world where the sky contains not one sun, but five. The world with five. Suns exist within an incredibly complex multi-star system that would seem almost magical to human observers. Despite the apparent chaos, the planet could still maintain a stable orbit and receive roughly the same amount of energy as Earth. The difference would be visible. Every time someone looked upward, multiple stars of different colors and brightness levels would move across the heavens. Some might appear golden, others orange or red. Sunrises and sunsets would become breathtaking displays of overlapping colors unlike anything seen on Earth. Darkness would become rare because at least one star would often remain above the horizon. As a result, the world could enjoy vast amounts of solar energy. Agriculture might flourish under extended daylight, and civilizations could harness enormous quantities of renewable power. Sky itself would become one of the greatest wonders imaginable, inspiring art, religion, and science for countless generations. But beneath all this beauty lies a hidden danger. The very stars that make this world extraordinary could one day become its greatest threat. Unlike Earth, which orbits a relatively stable star, the world with five suns depends upon a delicate gravitational balance involving multiple stars. Some of those stars may eventually evolve into red giants as they approach the ends of their lives. When that happens, the entire system could begin to change. One of the giant stars might explode as a supernova, releasing enormous amounts of energy into space. The resulting gravitational disturbances could alter planetary orbits or even eject planets entirely from the system. A world that enjoyed millions of years of beauty and stability could suddenly face cosmic chaos. This possibility highlights an important truth about the universe. Nothing lasts forever. Stars are born, they evolve, and eventually they die. Planets change, climates shift, and entire solar systems transform over time. The universe is constantly rewriting itself on timescales far greater than human history. Even the most beautiful paradise must eventually face change. And perhaps that reality makes these worlds even more fascinating, because they are not static destinations, but living parts of an ever-changing cosmos. So which of these worlds would you choose? Would you live on the moon of a giant planet where a celestial giant fills the sky every day and night? Would you choose the black sun world and spend your life exploring the mysteries of a nearby black hole? Would you settle on one of the twin Earths and watch another inhabited world approach every few decades, bringing opportunities for cooperation and discovery? Or would you live beneath five suns and witness some of the most spectacular skies imaginable? Each of these worlds offers advantages Earth cannot provide. They offer beauty, scientific opportunity, security, or seemingly endless energy. Yet, they also remind us of something important. Earth is extraordinary, not because it is the largest planet or the most dramatic. It is extraordinary because it has remained stable enough for life to flourish for billions of years. Our oceans, forests, atmosphere, and countless living species represent a rare achievement in a universe filled with extremes. As astronomers continue searching distant star systems, they may one day discover worlds even stranger than the ones we explored today. Until then, these incredible possibilities remind us that the universe is far more imaginative than any science fiction